In this video, I'll be showing you how to install NeoForge mods in Minecraft. It's a really simple method, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser of choice. So mine is Google Chrome. Once you're here, you want to search up CurseForge. Click the very top link. You're going to see a bunch of different games. You obviously want to click on Minecraft. Then once you press browse all, it's going to show something like this with a bunch of different mods. You want to scroll down until you find the mod loader section. And once you have, you want to select NeoForge. It's going to show you all the NeoForge mods that are available. And the one we're going to download for this example is Just Enough Items. Over here, you can read about the mod. But once you're done with that, you want to head on over to the file section and you want to download the mod. Now, there's a lot of different game versions, so you just want to bear that in mind. So whatever your Minecraft version is the type of mod that you want to download. For example, my one is running 1.2, So I'm going to download this one right here that was uploaded on July 31st. All I want to do is want to press the three little dots here and download file. Okay, so once you've downloaded it, it's going to look something like this. It would normally be in your downloads, but right now it's on my desktop. Then what we want to do is we want to download NeoForge. So again, just go to your browser and type in NeoForge. Click the very top link, and then you want to make sure that you download the right version. So my Minecraft version is 1.2, That's the one I'm going to be downloading. And my NeoForge version that I want is the latest one. From this point, I just have to click here to download the installer. Once it's downloaded, it's going to look something like this. It shouldn't take very long to download at all. And then what you want to do is you want to double click on it to run the installer. It's going to say install client. Just make sure you know where you're saving it and then press proceed. It's going to say successfully installed client profile NeoForge for the version. And then you just press OK. Now, the next thing you want to do once it's installed is you want to open up Minecraft. Once you have, it's going to look something like this. And as you can see, NeoForge is already here. You want to go over to installations and you're going to see NeoForge. What you want to do is you want to open up the installations folder. It's going to look something like this. And then you just want to go ahead and click mods. Now in this folder, there shouldn't be anything in there. So now what you want to do is you want to go back to where your mod is downloaded. And in my instance, it's on my desktop. And all I want to do is I want to drag it to the mods folder, specifically for NeoForge. Finally, before you start the game, just make sure that you are on NeoForge before pressing launch, and then you should be good to go.